To manage your services, click on the hamburger menu located in the top left corner of the home screen. From the menu, select My Business. This will take you to the My Business screen where you can view your business details such as name, address, location, and description. Here you'll also see a list of services offered by your business. To manage these services, click on the Edit Services button. The Edit All Services screen displays all existing services categorized by service category. Each service entry shows its name, price, and duration. To edit a service, click the Edit button next to it. To add a new service, click the floating action button plus icon. This will open the Add Service screen. Here, you need to provide details for the new service. First, select the service category from the drop-down list or add a new category. Then, choose the service name from the drop-down list or add a new service name. Enter the price for the service, and if the price is variable, mark the Variable Price checkbox. Next, enter the duration of the service in minutes. Once all the details are filled in, click the Add New Service button to confirm and add the service. Now you can see the new service listed in the Edit All Services screen under the respective category. Now it's your turn. Try adding a few test services to familiarize yourself with the process. Navigate through the My Business and Edit All Services screens and practice adding and managing your services. If you encounter any issues, refer back to this tutorial.